Okay, so the next objective that we're going to discuss is the video views objective. Now you can use this to target people who will watch your video, and then you can retarget them. So let's continue, and I'm going to show you how to create a video views ad. Basically what you have to do is, again, choose your audience the same way as in the first video. It's really easy. Look, people think Facebook ads is hard. It's actually not that hard. The hardest thing is making those people buy. And when you're working for somebody else, most of the times they have to worry about that. You'll only worry about creating profitable ads. And how do you create profitable ads? When you're getting results. And don't think that somebody will ever buy. You know, it happens, but don't think that somebody will buy from an ad the first time. All the money that people make online is made on the back end, where people don't see. You know, it's the back end of their business, where only they know what's happening, but only the business owners know what's happening. So basically, when I'm creating an ad, I don't actually expect to make any money of it. I expect to make money of it in the back end, where my profits will triple. For example, for the same client that was selling chocolates, we didn't expect people to buy directly from the ad. We expected them to buy after we have retargeted them a couple of times already, or we have talked to them in person. So what we did is we put a number on the ad that they can call and talk to a real person that can sell to them to come to the event. So that's what I did. I created an ad. I put a real number. I wrote some good copy, put a real number that they can call, and people started calling my client, and he basically closed them on coming to the event. From that one ad we did, and I wasn't expecting people to buy from it. I was expecting them to buy from the next steps that they have to take in order to buy. For example, calling my client or checking out my client's Facebook page where he posted a lot of content. After you have indoctrinated the person, that's when people buy. They don't buy from the first ad. Nobody's gonna buy from somebody they don't know. That's one of the things that I realized very late. And before that, I was thinking I was a bad marketer, but in reality, I was just having unrealistic expectations. I've never bought anything from one ad. I had to be retargeted a couple of times before I even consider buying from that person. So always remember the follow-up. People are not going to buy on the first step. They're going to buy on the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sometimes on the 12th step, as the study shows that most people buy after the 5th to 12th follow-up. So don't get discouraged if nobody buys from your ads. But anyways, let's continue with the creation of the ad. So after you've done this, after you've entered your budget, the same thing. You go to identity and you upload the video, and you use you upload the video here. You use some cool copy that you can write, and make sure your pixel is ready down here. But anyways, this is basically the video views objective. Most of the objectives are very simple, and now I'm going to show you one that is a bit more complicated, but it's going to bring amazing results for your clients and that they can actually use. And most clients are searching for this type of results. So meet me in the next video.